While mass timber has emerged as a sustainable alternative to traditional building materials like steel and concrete, it comes with its own set of structural considerations and limitations. Here are some key challenges that designers and builders must address when working with mass timber. One of the primary limitations of mass timber is the size of the individual elements that can be manufactured and transported to the construction site. Due to transportation restrictions and the size of available equipment, mass timber pieces are typically limited in length, width, and thickness. This can impact the overall design of a building and require more connections between elements to achieve the desired structural configuration. Connecting mass timber elements requires specialized hardware and techniques. The connections must be carefully designed to transfer loads effectively and maintain structural integrity over time. In some cases, more connections may be needed compared to steel or concrete construction, adding complexity and cost to the project. To meet performance requirements for load-bearing capacity, acoustics, and fire safety, mass timber elements may need to be overdimensioned. This means using larger or thicker pieces than would be required for steel or concrete construction. Overdimensioning can help compensate for the inherent properties of wood, but it also adds to the material and construction costs. The long-term performance of mass timber structures during seismic events is still being studied. While wood has some inherent flexibility, additional seismic connections like the Tectonus seismic dampers may be necessary to ensure the structure can withstand lateral loads and remain stable during an earthquake. As more data becomes available, building codes and design practices will continue to evolve to address seismic concerns. Wood is very susceptible to moisture-related issues, which can compromise structural integrity of mass timber buildings if not properly managed. Exposure to moisture can cause swelling, shrinking, twisting, and warping of the wood elements, impacting their long-term performance and joint integrity. Careful design and construction practices, such as moisture barriers and ensuring proper drying of the wood, are essential to mitigating these risks. Despite these challenges, mass timber remains a promising material for sustainable construction. As the industry gains more experience and research continues, solutions will emerge to address these structural limitations and unlock the full potential of this renewable building material. Just like the mind map with all of the benefits of mass timber, we now also have a mind map with the challenges and limitations of mass timber. Go over to the TimberTalk Patreon page to become a member and download the mind map for free.
Stay informed, stay inspired. TimberTalk.